Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete your Nextdoor account and remove your profile permanently, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Log into your Nextdoor account using a web browser. Note that account deletion must be done through the website, not the mobile app. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account menu and settings options. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu to access your account configuration and management options. Step 4. Scroll down to find the Account section or look for Privacy Settings where account management options are located. Step 5. Look for the option to deactivate account or delete account. Understand that deleting your account is permanent and cannot be undone. Step 6. Review what will happen when you delete your account, including removal of all posts, messages, recommendations, and loss of connections with neighbors. Step 7. Nextdoor may ask you to provide a reason for leaving. Select an appropriate reason or skip if optional, then confirm you want to proceed with deletion. Step 8. Follow all confirmation prompts to finalize account deletion. You may receive an email confirming the deletion. If you manage a group or are a lead for your neighborhood, transfer leadership responsibilities before deleting your account. Your content will be permanently removed from Nextdoor after deletion is complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.